To open an Absa Bank savings account, follow these steps. First, determine the type of savings account you need, such as a personal or business account. Absa Bank offers various types of savings accounts, each with its own unique features and benefits. Next, gather the required documents, which typically include a valid government-issued identification, proof of address, and proof of income. For businesses, additional documents such as a business license and registration documents may be required. Now, visit the Absa Bank website or mobile app to start the application process. You can also visit a nearby Absa Bank branch for assistance. Fill out the application form with your personal and financial information, and upload the required documents. After submitting your application, Absa Bank will review and verify the information. This may take a few days, and you may be required to provide additional documentation or information. Once your account is approved, you will receive a notification and your account will be activated. To manage your savings account, you can use the Absa Bank mobile app or online banking platform. These platforms allow you to check your account balance, transfer funds, and pay bills. You can also set up account alerts and notifications to stay on top of your account activity. To get the most out of your Absa Bank savings account, consider setting up a budget and tracking your expenses. You can also take advantage of Absa Bank's savings tools and resources, such as savings calculators and financial planning guides. Additionally, consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. Finally, review your account terms and conditions regularly to ensure you understand any fees or charges associated with your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Absa Bank savings account and achieve your financial goals.